everyone, happy Sunday. How's the Sunday going on? Mine, like I have plans to go out for brunch right now, and I'm already half done with getting ready, and I thought I had some time in hand, so why not make a video and share how I style myself for the brunch today. But before heading with the styling thing, I just wanted to share to have this palette with me. This is a 30 color eyeshadow palette by GG Cosmetics that just arrived, and I am super excited to share some, eye makeup looks with you guys with this. Can't wait to try this on. Let me open and show it to you. It's a cute palette, you guys. It's such a pretty one. So it's Glitter Galaxy Cosmetics Daydream palette. It has got 30 matte and foil vibrant shades. Let me show you. It's even got a mirror, you guys. See what vibrant tones and neutral tones as well. There's a combination of both. There's this fuchsia, then there's magenta, sky blue, ooh, yellow. Yeah, I was already, exhausting my supply of this. Just wanted to share that such a, pretty palette has come in my makeup kitty, and it's an Indian made brand, so I am even more proud. So yeah, I think I will try this one out right away. What say? So yeah, let's begin with today's video. It is not a complete makeup tutorial, but then nevertheless I'm gonna do my eye makeup today with you guys and also show a little bit of styling. So I'm already done with my base makeup, which I will show you the products I used. I used the Body Shop Tea Tree BB cream, mixed it up with this Innisfree sunscreen, which is my regular, you guys know, and also a little bit of Calabar Timeless foundation. It is light linen shade 1. And I'm also done my eyebrows with Diana of London eye pencil, and I have already glossed my lips with Cherry Lovable VLCC lip balm. So what's left to do? I think a bit of contouring, highlighting and eye makeup. I think straight away let's head to the eye makeup, because I cannot contain my excitement looking at these gorgeous shades. Also, I'm going to use this unopened brush set by Miniso that I had purchased on my Miniso haul recently. I'm going to talk about it a little later. So I'm going to take the eyeshadow brush from this box. So I've taken out these two brushes from the Miniso box, and I'm going to do my eye makeup with these two. So I'm going to take this very peachish neutral tone and do the base of my eye makeup today. Let me use the mirror. I don't want to go not neutral today, because I just want my eyes to pop up bright, but not too much in the face kind of a makeup look. Oh yeah, let's go for this red shade here. I don't know why I feel like doing it, but then yes, this is what I wanted to do. Oh my god, this is super pigmented. I've taken a lot. For brunch, it is feeling I've taken a lot. Never mind. I'll build my, I'll build my look around it. Taken it only till half, because that's how I want. I want it to be receding with a neutral color ahead. Again blending it. Now the windshield motion. And I was saying I'm not going to be that in your face makeup person today. Well, that's me. How can I deny myself? So I've done the red on both the eyes simultaneously. So this is the halfway how it goes. And let's see how we're going to blend it with a neutral tone. So I was thinking, why not go for a little shine? Doesn't hurt anyone, even during the day. So I think I will take this natural shade here, a little bit of glittery shade, and let's see how it goes with the rest of the eye makeup. Life is what if not experimenting, right? The red is so striking, you guys, but I don't seem to be minding it. I rather like it. I think it's going to, add to my look. And this little neutral shimmery shade I'm using to blend, it's just highlighting the color a bit and yet toning the red a bit down. So I'm liking it. So yes, you guys, I've just completed doing this neutral shiny shade, blending it with the reds on my eyes, and I think just the way I wanted it, it has done that neutralizing effect, and at the same time highlighted my red with a little glitter. So I'm very happy with the outcome. So the same brush, I'm gonna line my eyes a bit, and yes, highlighting the inner part of the eyes with the silver. Yeah, the pop out seems to be. So what do you guys think? So guys, I finally decided to line my eyes also, so that they look bigger and more sharp. So I'm using this Maxi Black in color liquid gel eyeliner, and I'm gonna start lining my eyes with this green mirror. Also, this is my first time using this in color. A lot of new products in this video, you guys. So I'll see how it goes. I usually don't line, but when I line, I like it bold. It is gliding through and it is dark. So yes, I've winged my eyes. Next, I'm using this Lakme Absolutes Illuminating Shimmer Brick. I totally forgot the contouring. I don't want to do too much today, but then a little bit probably on my jaws, that's it. And you know what, I'm gonna try this very GG Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. I think this dark brown matte and this neutral matte, a combination of this will do the trick. Let me try. I'm loving this palette. It's beautiful, and this is coming handy. I mean, it's also helping me contour. Now let's see how it blends. I think I'm done with the contouring part also. Now only 2 steps remain: the choice of lip color and the highlighter. So let's do the highlighter first. So yeah, I think I'm done. So see the glow? Wow, it's looking awesome, right? So now what to choose for the lip color, since it's gone massive red here. So I was thinking red lips, but then no, I think I will go for a neutral shade. So Super Stay Matte Ink Maybelline New York, shade Driver 55. So yeah, I think I'm in a mood to leave these dresses wild and untamed. So I'm not gonna even comb them, just a bit of hair serum. Very cute bow that I bought from Looney Bin some time ago. So I think just that brunch vibe accentuation, it would look nice. Yeah, it is looking nice, and again it's going with the red thing I've done here, you see. And since I'm wearing the checkered blouse, I think I'm gonna choose these as my hand bracelets. So yeah, I think that's pretty much about it. I'm not gonna layer myself with more jewelry because I don't think so it's required with this look. So that's pretty much about it, guys. That's my brunch look, and I'm gonna share the pictures of the full look with you guys. Hi, so see, this is how I've pretty much done the look here, and this is my OOTD brunch Sunday look. So I hope you guys like it. You saw the makeup earlier, and I think it's doing fine. So stay tuned for more videos. Toodles!